Welcome to the third video in our EU Cyber Resilience Act awareness series. In this session, we'll explore how the CRA connects with other EU regulations and global standards, and how companies can navigate overlapping requirements efficiently. The CRA is just one piece of a growing legal and cybersecurity puzzle. Businesses today face a wide range of regulations, often with similar goals but different scopes. Understanding these overlaps is crucial. It helps avoid duplicate work, ensures you don't miss compliance obligations, and strengthens your overall security posture. Let's start with what the CRA actually covers. It focuses on the cybersecurity of products with digital elements, anything with software or remote data interaction. It applies throughout the product lifecycle, from design and development to post-sale updates and vulnerability handling. Its goal is to ensure these products are secure by design and secure by default before they ever reach the market. Let's now look at a few other regulations that overlap with CRA. The CRA and NIS2 directive are both part of the EU's cybersecurity framework, but they target different things. NIS2 is aimed at operators of essential and important services, like energy, transport, healthcare, and cloud providers. Its focus is operational cybersecurity and incident management at the organizational level. In contrast, the CRA applies to digital products, regardless of where they're used, and focuses on product-level risk and lifecycle security. For many companies, especially tech manufacturers or service providers, both may apply. If your product includes AI functionality, it may also fall under the AI Act, especially if it's considered high risk. The AI Act focuses on transparency, safety, and accountability in artificial intelligence systems. CRA comes into play when AI is embedded in a product. The AI system must not only meet AI Act requirements but also be cybersecure as per the CRA. Dual compliance is likely for many AI-powered products. ISO/IEC 27001 is the world's most recognized standard for managing information security. While CRA is about securing products, ISO 27001 helps secure the organization behind those products. It provides a governance framework for risk assessment, controls, incident response, and documentation, all of which support CRA obligations. Following ISO 27001 won't automatically make you CRA compliant, but it builds the right structure for doing so efficiently. The NIST cybersecurity framework, developed in the US, is widely used for enterprise cybersecurity. It's built around 5 key functions: identify, protect, detect, respond, and recover, and aligns closely with CRA's expectations across the product lifecycle. If your organization already follows NIST, you'll find it easier to meet CRA expectations, especially in areas like vulnerability handling, security controls, and post-market support. NIST isn't legally binding in the EU, but it's an excellent technical reference for compliance. The General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR, focuses on protecting personal data. While the GDPR is about privacy and data rights, the CRA is about cybersecurity of the devices and software that could be used to access that data. They often intersect. For example, a vulnerability in a connected product could lead to a data breach, triggering GDPR reporting requirements. Securing your products through CRA helps support your GDPR compliance indirectly. Across these laws and standards, you'll notice recurring themes: risk management, technical documentation, incident reporting, post-market monitoring, and supply chain responsibility. The good news? You don't need to reinvent the wheel. Harmonizing your processes across frameworks can create one efficient, integrated approach to compliance. To summarize, the CRA doesn't replace existing laws, it builds on them. It complements NIS2 for service providers, GDPR for data protection, and AI Act for intelligent systems. It also aligns well with global frameworks like ISO 27001 and NIST. A unified approach, where product security, data privacy, and risk management work together, is the smartest way to stay ahead. In our next video, we'll dive into the scope of the CRA, what kinds of products are included, what's excluded, and how to know if your product falls under the regulation. See you there.